Julie Gelder from Topaz Health and Safety. I hope you're all well. I just thought I'd share with you a court case that's happened recently, that the HSE have prosecuted a landscape contractor for not protecting his employees against respirable silica dust. Now, silica dust can cause all sorts of respiratory conditions. And so the HSE are on a big drive about this at the moment. But they prosecuted this contractor because they'd given him an improvement notice because he had no protective equipment, masks, etc., and also no on-tool dust extraction or wetting the blocks as he's cutting them to prevent the dust from getting out into the atmosphere. And he was a repeat offender because they'd given him an improvement notice and he'd done it again and he didn't make any improvements. So they took him to court, and it's cost him £20,000 in a fine and £3,000 in court costs, and I would suspect quite a bit more from the HSE under their fees for intervention. So you're probably talking about 30 grand all told, which it would be his fine. Why? Because he hadn't spent any money on protecting his employees. Now, I'm about to go to my friends at Tuff Shop and see what respiratory protection they have in that's quite easy and inexpensive to buy for protecting your workers. So hi guys, I'm here with the amazing Chris from Tuff Shop. I'm in their lovely premises here, and we're going to talk about some of the masks that they've got on offer at the moment. So what's the first mask that you've got at the minute? Right,
so the first filter we're going to talk about is the P3 disposable dust mask.
That's really great for sort of shorter duration work where you're using stuff that's creating dust. So if you're doing stripping out, you're doing demolition, or you're cutting blocks, bricks, paving slabs, etc. But it's for short duration. Fantastic, great bit of kit that. What's the next mask that you've got?
Yep, so the next mask we're going to talk about is the Moldex compact face mask. It's got P3 filter and A2 filter built in.
Now they're really good. If you're doing two tasks that give you exposure to something, like for example A2 is your solvents and your organic gases, and the P3 is your dust. So that does two things. The mask lasts for ages. And all you need to do is just clean them out regularly on the inside, so they keep clean and tidy, and then you keep them in your bag. So they're great if you're using, that sort of thing long term. So what's the next one that you've got?
Right, so the third one is an interchangeable face mask, and you can change the different filters to P3, A2.
Or a combination. You can have a combination.
Oh, a combination, yeah.
So that's really great. So you keep the mask for ages, and the only thing you've got to change is your filters again. So if you're just dust, P3. If you're just doing organic solvent, again it'll be an A2. Or if you're doing both, you can get a combination filter. So really good. So what you need to look at obviously is what sort of thing you're using. And what sort of mask you really need for all the different hazards that you've got. And also with all of these half masks and disposables, you need to get a face fit test done as well. So all your lads under the COSH regulations, you need to face fit test each person with their mask on. Now there's two types of tests you can do. There's a qualitative face fit test, which are really great for your half masks and everything, and then there's the quantitative face fit test, which there's a machine that's used, and that's really for your powered respirators and your full masks as well. Now, with the one thing with all of these, the disposable and the half mask, is if you've got a beard like Chris here, you can't use them. You need to use a full head mask or a powered respirator. So there's some quick tips there on what masks there are and what you need to do with them. So thanks a lot, Chris. That was really fantastic. Thank you. And if you want to buy some masks, go to tuffshop.co.uk. And if you want to see me about qualitative face fit testing, it's topazsafety.co.uk.